Mm-hmm.
Put it down. Don't join them. Now you guys, we're in a world full of lots of hate. Steve Irwin just died today. Not today. That other day. And you know, you guys are my mates. You know how we do. You guys don't mourn the death of Steve Irwin. Too bad. And what do we say? What do we say?
Crikey.
Crikey. Crikey. Hallelujah.